Hi, welcome to the channel. It is Cambridge Trading Cards here, and today we're taking it back. We're going back to WWE Superstars. So it's I think it was like UK Europe release that was tail end of last year, so tail end of 2021. I've opened, as you can see, a few boxes before, hit a few autos. I think I've got Samoa Joe to 25, and a few Kofis. But yeah, so these are the normal packs. These, I think, are the ones with the Super Elite parallel card inside. This was just given to me as like an extra, so I'll probably open that before the packs. And then this was also given to me as an extra. It's just a Slam Attacks Rumble thing. It is from, I want to say, 2011. So let's see who's in here. See if there's anyone cool. Oh, if I can get it open, there we go. How to play. We don't care. There we go. Bella Twins. Sheiky Baby. The Iron Sheik. Booker T. Alicia Fox. And the Zigman, Dolph Ziggler, signature move, the zigzag. So there you go. Nothing overly exciting in there, really. Cool, and then we'll do this. So I had a bit of a problem with the order for this one, and I think they just gave this to me because they messed me around quite a lot, which seems to be happening quite a bit lately. I won't go too much into detail, but annoying. So let's see what we get here. We got The Rock, got Tony Storm, last card maybe one of our last cards in WWE. MVP, the Big Dog, Roman Reigns, Yoko, Roderick Strong, Rikishi, Carmella, Commander Aziz, Grand Metalik, Chad Gable, Angelo Dawkins. There we go. Got a nice crystal card there of Bianca Belair, and The Rock, the Super Elite. So I guess that's what I think these packs here have one of these in. But the crystal cards are nice. They do pretty well in the secondary market. Just ding them up there. Get these base cards out of the way. So let's do the normal packs first. There we go. We've got finishers, Bianca Belair, Reggie, Drew Gulak, Kieran Cross, Oney Lorcan, Shotzi, Joe Kofi, Stone Cold, Seth Rollins, WrestleMania, and we got a pay-per-view. We got SummerSlam, AJ Styles, John Cena, so that's not a bad one to get. Again, they do pretty well on the secondary market. Nice numbered one of those would do nicely. Obviously, you can get autos, you can get numbered ones of these, or you can get the numbered ones of those as well. Kushida, Gigi Dolan rookie card. That is, in my opinion, her rookie card. Legends Hulkster, Sasha Banks, Legends RVD, Finisher RKO Randy Orton, Legends Mick Foley, Omos, and then we got the Roman Reigns insert, Sharp and Win, and we got Big E Super Elite. Cool, so not too bad. This is pack 3. MVP, Frankie Monet. WrestleMania flashback, Bobby Lashley, Xavier Woods, Lex Luger legend, Cesaro, Joe Kofi, Austin, Randy Orton, and we got The Rock again. Not too bad. Cool, and then our last regular pack. Okay, so we got China. Good to see her back in products. It was a long time without. Tegan Knox, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, Drew Gulak, Roman Reigns finisher, and a Kevin Owens finisher. Raquel Gonzalez, Wolfgang. We got the WrestleMania Roman Reigns, and we got a yellow Bianca Belair, not numbered. Cool, so I'm just going to move the base again. Right, last 3 packs. Let's go. Let's get something cool. I don't know how many cards you get in these ones. How do you get? Is it the same as a normal pack? I don't think it is actually. Show up and win Roman Reigns. Ilya Dragunov. The Bulldog. Sarge. And Shawn Michaels. Super Elite Yellow. This card feels thicker, is it? Oh, there you go. That's why it feels thicker. We got a Riddle Yellow as well. Super Elite. And I'm going to warn you, I'm probably going to say this on every single video that I do now. If you like wrestling cards, check out my new podcast with 2 good buds of mine, Jamie and Dave. It is called the Squared Circle Relics Podcast. Find it on Apple and Spotify. Otis, Isaiah Swerve Scott, Papa Shango. I really wanted that to be an auto then. I thought it was because it was backwards. We got another backwards one. Undertaker. Got Riddle, just literally a base card, and Charlotte Flair Super Elite. All right, here we go. Last pack. Let's get some of that good mojo going. All right, starting off with Natalya and Tamina. Dewdrop. Joe Kofi. We've done a few Joe Kofis, haven't we? Alexa Bliss, really cool shot. I like that shot. Marcel Barthel, and the last one, the best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be, the Hitman. Yeah, nice way to end it. So I'll have a quick run through of what we got. So we got Hitman, Charlotte Flair, Riddle, Shawn Michaels, all Super Elite. Roman Reigns, insert. Bianca Belair, Super Elite. Roman Reigns and Randy Orton, WrestleMania inserts. The Rock, we got twice. Gigi Rookie, Seth Rollins, WrestleMania. We only got one of those. The Rock insert. That's cool on the back. The Electrifying Collection, there you go. And then probably the 2 best cards are these 2, Bianca Belair Crystal, and the Iconic Matches pay-per-view poster, SummerSlam John Cena and AJ Styles. And that's it from me for today. As always, subscribe, like the video, comment on the video. I'll always try and get back to people. And yeah, take it easy. Stay tuned for more wrestling card opening.